Alrighty then, who's ready for some tea and crumpets? And some smashing trades. And I'm all out of tea and crumpets. So how about we get some smashing trades, shall we? Don't forget, trading is risky. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Alrighty then, we're back for the afternoon session. Who's ready for some trade tracker? You guys want to check out the new trade tracker you guys can get access to if you're already a premium member? There's going to be on the website a new login feature where you will be able to have your own member portal login, and inside of there you're going to find a little gift from me and the crew. Eddie just been rocking out some really cool stuff with this. Eddie, the editor and the statistician, not really the editor, we fired the editor, but Eddie is a stats monster and helped us out with this one. Oh, I kind of want to take a quick snag at this. That's already up. Let me see if we're gonna get a little something. Got to get it back behind the ready up there. Don't know if that's going to work here for the first trade here, but a little bit of some maybe over acceleration excitement with a 1, 2. Is that the third ready up here at the top? I don't know. We'll see. Going to work the position with the buttons here. May or may not work out too well. That's probably about to launch one more time. So it will be literally just trying to scalp out a little something something here off of the ready up.
Target filled.
And we'll want to be pulling a reversal in that position any moment. Any moment. All right, grabbed a little, snagged a little bag there on the ready up. So I'm trying to pull up the video link here. Error. You need to change the video resolution. Your current resolution is blah, 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 which is not supported for configuration. The expected resolution is blah, 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 blah. What? I tried to set this to lower latency, and it's telling me I can't. Can you guys still see me okay? Is the quality of the stream... Let me see what it looks like on my phone. Is it blurry? It's still on 4K. I think I'd have to reduce the resolution. We're working on improvements as usual. Always improving. If you're not always improving, where are you going? All right, let me click on my email here. It says that I'm live.
Enigma short on the EM1.
While I'm here, I'm going to do that really easy thing that you guys should do as well. Smash that like button, and then I'm going to press the share button. I'm going to do it here on my phone. Watch how easy this is. Let's see how long it takes. Starting now. Count me down. Wait. Wait. Hold on. I got a moonshot. I gotta take a shot at a moonshot here. It's a 17.7. 1 moment, please.
Target filled. Target filled.
If the market's gonna hand out free candy, I need to grab a bag. I mean, it's almost Halloween. I need some bags of candy. Come on now. Nah, she wants to keep going for a minute. All right, we'll come back to it. Gonna be watching this spot. I'm gonna mark it with a white line here, and let's make it a little larger, shall we? All right, watch that spot here. S2 up above on higher time frame, all the way up into the golden ropes there. So we'll be looking for some spots for some fun. Okay, now before I was so rudely interrupted, let me pull up our chats here. Everybody give me a shout out here. Good afternoon, everybody. Hey, Ninja Scalp. What's up, Ben? Missile, Casey, Daniel D, Mr. Manigold. What's up, brother? Superman is here. Let's go, CG. Been back from the morning. Awesome, Superman. Appreciate that. What's up, Greg? All the way from Florida, MVP. Good to see you, Ricardo. Hey, Ricardo and I had a fun chat yesterday. Thanks for giving me a call yesterday. That was fun. Really been thinking on what you've been talking about with me, bro. I did. I've been putting some ponderance to what you've been saying. I talked with Curtis and Eddie about our chat afterwards. It was such a interesting conversation. So thank you again for taking a moment to give me a call. Okay, so before I was so rudely interrupted, I was pulling it up on my phone. Let's count down the time. See how long this takes me. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom. Share. Create post. Putting some funny eyeball looking things. Putting a little heart, thumbs up, 100, point down, bing, boom. Done. What was that, 12 seconds? All right, so I just hit like and I shared the post so that, you know, whatever YouTube does with that information, I don't know, but maybe it's cool. I don't know. It's a 17, 2 of them in a row. Let's see how this plays. I don't know. That might be just continuing on the run. Just blow everybody out who's trying to get short. That is a solid possibility. Oh, yes.
On the one.
There's the big spike in Delta I want to see. That one is about twice as large as the other one. Got some nice reps in. That's good. Very... Oh, now it's a super. All right. Giving it a shot here. We got the super. Got to put the stops in the proper location. Get back behind the ready DD here. And let's see how she goes here. That bar's not quite finished on the 26th, but it would be really cool if that turns into a pin bar. It'd be real cool on a pin bar. You know what I'm saying? Oh, don't you love that sound? It's so cathartic. King timing up on the 4s. But you know the drill. When in a grind, do not rewind. It's gonna be tricky. We are going against a strong buy here. All 4 nerds are rolling here. We got all 4 of the nerd pie party coming to the long side. Gonna be tricky. Even larger delta came in now. Same area. It's gonna be one of those ones where it's like, dude, they are just not letting anybody out. We got S2 up above us. And yeah, we have broken through that 17, so unfortunately it's not as cool as it was going to be earlier. I have to admit that. But this area is going to become important regardless of where we go from here. Literally wanted to close and engage long right there, but just couldn't get myself to do it. This thing's got another 89 bar in it. All right, I'll take my 20 tick loss, and I'm going to get long if I can get my brackets to work. Why are my brackets not working? There we go. Yeah, I think this 89 bar is going to keep going. Like, finish out that 89 bar. We totally ignored those 217s, like back to back. Kind of weird that they were so even like that. So yeah, I think they're just hitting them and getting them. We did get our first ready up here on the 8s though, so a first sign that we might be cracking, but we could have some space in it and too risky. I'm going to keep riding the strong buy here until otherwise noticed. Oh, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be trading NQ in the afternoon. You guys slapped me around a little bit. I was too excited about playing with our new tracker. I'm going to be showing you guys that here shortly. Watch the 89 bar. End of it is 42.77s. Red Shark on the ES3s. Thank you, Manuel. Okay. We'll see if the nerds start turning. There's king timing. Definitely possible. So the blow through of those 17s told me we might have some extra juice to it. Coming down here bottom left. See, I mean, literally, like, just marched our way straight through those. Ready ups down with here. We have not seen another one. Coming up here into double king timing. See if it's got one more leg of juice into it. A lot of space up there to 42, 52. 77s is all the way here, which is where the end of that 89 bar will be. Pretty close to our white line that we had drawn previously as a area of importance.
Divergence down touching on the 26.
Okie dokie. Yikes. Divergence. Oh, it showed. I pulled it to the wrong screen. Here you go. Okay, divergence with the power up. It's got the super with it as well. So it might be getting caught in a super duper pooper scooper here. What was the leg? That one. If they're gonna protect it, it would be this zone right here. Listening for audio box. OBS says it's disconnecting. What's happening? Test 1, test 2. Can you also hear me? Test 1, test 2. OBS reconnection successful, it says. Glitched him back. All right. Thank you. Why has it got to be a grind down? That's the worst. Could continue on that. Might be the real deal. Boo on you. Bake him and bake him. Come on. Come on, audio box. I'm listening for you, bro. There you go. Knock, knock. Who's there? Hopefully a big fat winner.
J-hook short EM on the 1.
J-hook short. Don't do that to me, bruh. Denied. Yeah, look what that 89 bar did to me. It pin barred. Did not finish out to 42777s. That's really gonna suck. I think it's gonna springboard. I'm hoping for the springboard. The short looks too easy. Back to the white cross. There's the buyers. I'll press it again. Push up and over. They did sell there, so hopefully that's enough to trap them in. They were just hopefully pushing down, and then both of these crosses hopefully get trapped in. Would love to see a third cross. That way we've got a 3 wise men, but I've only got 2 right now. I've only got 2 wise men. It's not enough for the real juice to return to highs. I need 3 wise men. 2, not quite enough. They were both sell supply, so it should be interesting. Let me draw a line up at 4277s, which is going to be there. So got an eyeball target for the end of the 89 bar if it does finish out. Oh, did we just get the third? We just got the 3 wise men. Oh man, how did I miss that? Sorry, I'm over there looking off on the right. We got the 3 wise men. Everybody type 3WM in the chat. Hit that like button. We need 9 more likes. We're past 15 minutes. I mean, I don't want to have to close out the stream. We got to get to 50 likes, folks. You know the drill. First 15 minutes around the house. If we get 50 likes, then we're there the whole time. Let's go. Three wise man, 1, 2, and 3. To keep my fingers off the triggers, I'm going to start typing that in. Okay. 3. It's not enough room. All right, 3WM it is. And it's green. So what am I looking for on a 3WM? What's target 1 on a 3WM? Type it to me in the chat. Pop quiz. Oh, not a 4th. Ay. All of them sell. Yeesh. Well, let's hope they're all wrong. Hoping those are retail sizes there. They're not super sized. Last super sized was that leg right there, which is what we're trying to protect. We want it to be over this little golden zone here. What is target 1 on the 3WM? On a long. Or a short, as long as you designate it. $11 ticks? Not quite. This one has a specific target on the 3WM. But not a number. It's a location. Not 15. It's not a tick count. I'll give you a hint. It's not a tick count. It is a location. About now. It's a location. What is the location of the target for a 3WM? Top of the cross? No. Top. Yes. Oh, wait, no. Not top of the cross. I think I gave it away. Return to high or return to low? The official answer is the return to high. Or return to low, depending on high or low. Depending on if we're going up or down. Oof. Now, I don't know what to do when there's more crosses. When there's 3, we're trying to return to the highs. They start stepping in and selling in the entire zone. It could become a buy or sell zone. Missed the top of that target there by a couple of ticks. So I'm being a little greedy. I'm being a dick for a tick there. That happens to me when I'm well up on the day. I have noted that of myself, that I get greedier when I'm, especially if I'm up over 5K on the day. It's a thing. Well, target 1. If we go on target 2, then maybe police lines. Yeah, I mean, I would look for something beyond that. But for target 1, I'm just looking for return to
Double delta.
should be breaking the high on that. Basically, everybody gets wrong on the short, and you want to see them boom and bust them. And oftentimes it'll bust and kind of pull back, but then oftentimes also explode through. Now we got clustering, so it's no longer really just a pure 3 wise men. Now we've got clustering involved, so we'll see how that plays. When in a grind, do not blank. Fill in the blank. When in a grind, do not blank. Rewind, exactly. You guys know that one. So here's my current thinking. I'm thinking that the short sellers are getting very excited right now. I think they've been tempted because that's 2 lower lows. You got lower lows, lower lows. They're all like, oh, lower low, lower low, lower low. And then they're like, oh, that one didn't break the high. So they're like, okay, we didn't get all the way up there, so we're going to get short. I think these guys are about to get wrecked. That's my personal feeling. Now, again, that's reading into the market. That's not just pulling ALGOBOX stuff. At the same time, ALGOBOX is giving me the read of these are the people pressing buttons here. We got people pressing the buttons. The question is which side of them is going to get wrecked? Okay, well, originally it would be the 3 wise men, and we just push up and we touch the highs. Since we didn't, though, this one says lower low right there, so that everybody's like, okay, what's classic retail teaching on lower low? Somebody will label it like this, right? Like, oh, look, it's a low. Oh, I'm sorry, LH, my mistake. Did I just say lower low? My apologies. I am so sorry. I'm saying lower high, right? It's a lower high. Oh, it's a lower high. Didn't quite make it to the high, so haha. Doesn't have enough juice. Oh, here we go. We're coming down. Get short. Okay, yep, lower high. I saw it on a Twitter feed one day. I read it in a book, or I saw somebody write it in a book one time. There's a lower high, so going down. Well, so a lot of people commit on that. But what I have seen is that doesn't work out too well typically, and fake them down, especially when they move some quick move down, fake them, head fake, and then slowly and steadily just grind them out till they pop their stops. I mean, I'm never 100% right, so I could be wrong. But that's, if you're wondering what I'm thinking, that is what I'm currently thinking. Unhappy to be proven wrong, if that happens now. When it's slow, it's likely going to go. Yeah, that is true. When it's slow, it's going to go. And slow speeds tend to favor longs. Ooh, got another one hopping in here. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, we got one nerd coming off the up move. Don't go neutral. I'm okay with your head faking down. But you better turn around when you're done. What time is it? 3:05. Top of the hour here. Bottom of the channel. Should we make one that says like, you snooze, the longs don't lose? To remind ourselves that if it's slow, it's going to go, and particularly in the upside. Just in general, slow speed favors the bulls. It's just a thing. Like markets creep up and they blast down just in general. Don't like that that was a super straight leg there. So we could be trapping in the bears. I'm sorry, could be trapping in the bulls right there on a move like that. But I'm hoping it just trapped them. Everybody, like, you felt that move there. Like, how many of you guys have been on the short side of that before, right? How many times we've all been there. We're like, oh, okay, it's going down, right? You got Medusa affected here. You're really trying to study it. You're feeling every tick and move, and you're like, okay, it's going short. Okay. And like, you're this guy right down here, right? And then all of a sudden it's like yoink, and you're like, oh, okay, please keep going down, right? I think this guy's sweating, right? And you see there was quite a few there all selling down that leg. So oftentimes that's what launches it in the other direction. Ooh, that's a good one. Bulls take the stairs and bears jump out windows. Oh man, I never heard that one. That's a good one. Is that a thing? Oh man, that's funny. I'll have to try to remember that one. That's really going to suck as I'm sitting here talking through all this and I'm end up being wrong here today. And, you know, listen, how often is a broken clock right? I mean, it can be. It might be noon somewhere. They are definitely making both sides think about it though, aren't they? They're sitting right in the middle of the zone now. They're making both sides doubt themselves. Speed is 88 on NQ. Man, I wish I was on that instead of this. Oh, you know I do. There we go. Strong buy. Push them. Now lock them in. There you go. Lock them in. Break them. Snap it all the way up there. I'd love to see that 89 bar finish out. Remember 42, 77s we got up top there. That's what I'm targeting. It's, you know, it's going to be a while. Here's top left. 89 bar. And we want to see the crack of that high, the three wise men, target one, got a lot of people under it. So this is one of those where I think when we hit the top there, I can peel half and it may just keep on going because we got a lot more crosses than anticipated from before. Earlier it was just 3, but man, then you got 3 and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
DCDM on the 1. DCDM on
Got 10 caught in there. Oh boy, it's clustering right here. Okay, yikes, something's about to go. Something is about to give. Oh boy. All right, I got my finger over the halvesies here. Yikes. Everybody's smashing the buttons right there. What's it going to be? Are they going to catch the bulls or the bears off sides? It could be either one now. That could be tricky. Give one last leg of hope. I'm hoping they just give like the leg of hope to the bears. They're like, okay, it's coming down. They press the short button one more time and then accelerate the explosion through the top is what I'm hoping. Okay, HUD fake down, please. Tried to catch a bid. Took a second. That's good news. I would rather them not catch me at all. When I'm trying to catch a bid, I'm not really trying to catch a bid. Sometimes I am, but sometimes I'm just not. All right, it popped up. Let's see if I can catch a bid. Oof, that filled too easy. Okay. It's shake and bake. I hope I helped. I don't know. It's shake and bake and I helped. Nobody knows that reference unless you're as old as me. Aye. Speed is 66 on the NQ2s. That's perfect speed. It's perfect speed. I am going to be kicking myself later for not just going to NQ because I'm having to wait around for this. I'm sure there are a lot better and more plays showing up there on NQ than me farting around with this longer hold play piece here on YM that kind of played me both ways. I mean, it really did. It definitely played me both ways. Those Enigma moonshots were so juicy looking, but then they just continued to grind. Let me go with the grind, and NQ stuck as well? Okay. Oh, I mean, thanks, man. That helps me out. All of my end of day experience is in NQ, so I think that's just part of the difficulty for me trading these slower ones too, is when I try to apply my NQ mental movement, what my mind has recorded in my eyes over my, time studies and all my experience is NQ movements. And when I apply it to these slower ones that don't move as far, for instance, we have done basically a calculated measurement that RTY to NQ is about a 5. Now, I don't know what it is to the Dow. Has anybody done a study on that? So a move of RTY, it's like 5 times that on NQ, or an NQ is a 5th. If you're talking about RTY, that one was pretty specific. Almost everything is pretty easy read to a set of 5. Dow, I feel like, is more uncorrelated, so I don't really have a read on that. Has anybody ever done that study? Anybody got like, what's your estimate? And it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just curious. Has anybody like done any kind of thought study on that, or what's your best guess on what is the difference in movements between the Dow and NQ if you had to put it in terms of a multiplier? Is it like 2x, 3x? And I don't know that there is, because again, there's different components. Dow is so commodity heavy versus NQ being so tech heavy. They're less correlated than RTY and NQ, for instance. So for me, it's a little bit harder to like mentally know, I guess. Is this the moment? 3:15. Means some 5-minute bars are completing on the folks who are using time bars. Let's get him committed. Oh, don't stick me at the top again, bro. I'm ready. Been holding this for too long. I'm ready to get going. No more crown pieces up here. Come on now. That's enough of the crowns. It's 315. That's 316 now. Come on. Make your move. Make your move. Finish that 89 bar. Come on. Let's watch this 89 bar. I'm just going to keep eyes on the 89 up top here. Top left. Finish that 89 bar. Come on. Don't pin bar me. That is really going to suck. It crowned it again. No! No! No crowns. They let too many people look to the long side. Yikes. Yeah, last 30 minutes. Here comes king timing. It's about to touch it. Please slide up. Slide up that king timing. Slide. Oh, come on. Slide. Do it. Slide. Slide. Slide up. No, I've seen this. I love it when it just slides. Just slide. Just slide. Do that slide thing. Come on. If it was in queue, it probably would. I don't know about this Dow thing, man. Playing out here in the oil. Parting with the Dow, man. Come on. Break that high. You know you want to. If they do, it's going to be destructive. If it comes down, though, it'll be destructing me, so I don't know. Come on, baby. Slide. Do that slide thing you do. Do that slide thing you do. There you go. Come on. If you were in queue, I know you would. Sitting here with this Dow thing. Cannot believe I'm on the Dow. I told you guys I wanted to trade in queue in the afternoon. There we go. There's my half. There's my half. There you go. Now bust them loose. Bust them loose. Bust them loose. Bust them loose. The juice is loose. Come on, go finish out that bar. It's up there to the white line. Let's go. Get up there. Oh, I got a half up. That's a moonshot. Okay. I'm peeling another half here. Down to 10 contracts for the runner. I'm going to lock in a stop because you never know. These things can go nuts. I'm going to add stop here. Lock it in. Okay. Whatever it is, I am, well, I got 6K. I've locked in 6K no matter what happens here, and we'll see. Is it going to be 6K or is it going to be 10K? 6K or 10K? Type in the chat. What's it going to be? You tap these, it's 10. Comes down here, well, we're at 6. Crack that 24. Do it. If that 89 bar pin bars, it's game over. Not for us, but I'm just saying. You know what I mean? I want both, man. See, you guys are catching on. Vinny always wants both. Yeah, I'll take a run up, finish that bar, then pin bar back, and go short, bro. I'll take it both ways. I will literally run it both ways. I do not care. I do not care. I'll take them. That moonshot said, I don't think so. It was like, I am a super moon. What are you talking about, bro? All right, stop right underneath this ready DD right there. And that will put us at around 6K if we come back to the stop underneath there. We run. I mean, right now we're up 7. I could close out right now and we up 7K. Okay, while we're doing that, so I will not press the buttons. I'm going to not look at it. I think I would jinx it if I look at it. So I'm going to look away, and I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to showcase our tracker. How about that? I'm going to pull up the tracker because you guys need to know about this thing. It's going to be awesome. If you guys didn't get to see the quick video on it yet, don't worry. I got you covered.
When you first open the daily...
Here we go. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Did it already stop me out? It did, didn't it? It stopped me out. Oh, boo. All right, 62.55. Moonshot pushed it back down. The good news is our system works like a charm. The bad news is I wanted 10K. So whatever. We take what the market gives us. Let's talk about the tracker. It's only about 30 seconds. So let's not look at the chart for about 30 seconds, shall we?
When you first open
Eddie B on the mic.
This preview tab, which everything is locked, but it's a good place to show everybody what it would look like when it's totally filled out. So just click on October here, and I filled out the days from the live stream. So for example, today is the 23rd. If you got, let's say, ended with 12K, let's say 2K, it would update all these stats. So that's pretty much it.
Awesome. Very cool. Thanks, Eddie, for putting that little quick video there together for us to kind of let us know what's happening with it, how it's going to go. And let's see if we can throw down 12K today, shall we? What time is it? 3:23. That looks like it's like a nice dipper trap. I'm down for it. You're still on buy side here. Dow's a little bit. Oh, I told you I was going to switch to NQ, didn't I? You know what? Let's do it first. Let's disconnect because y'all know how it is. Disconnect before you switch instruments, folks. That is a pro tip. Doesn't mean it's not going to crash on you, but it might reduce it. You know what I'm saying? It might reduce the incidence of redonkulousness when it comes to NinjaTrader. All right, here we go. NinjaTrader. Let's reconnect. That is a juicy PRZ cross, isn't it? See what I mean? NQ would have been easier. Look at that. Cross 1, cross 2, boom, pop. Yeah, that looks easier to me than what we just went through on YM. Just saying. Oh, NQ getting a little wild, eh? Created an NQ and ES workspace to avoid logging out, Vinny. Be careful of that, Leo. Like you're trying to be smart, but I'll tell you something. There's something that's not smart about that. Are you saying you keep both of them open at the same time? Oh, you're saying close out one workspace and open another? My mistake, my mistake. You weren't saying having them both open at the same time, right? You were just saying you switch workspace.
29.
I would still disconnect if you do that. I mean, it does not negate the fact that you should and that you need to only have one workspace open at a time, or you're, yeah, just things. Close one, open other. Okay. But I hope you disconnect first, right? Definitely hope you're disconnecting first. No issues for months. Oh, I love to hear that. All right. You know, one thing I'm missing is the flat. Let's turn on the flat. I put that on yesterday, but I think it crashed before I got to save it.
Double delta NQ on the 4.
I want the no fiddle zone. And I don't want the whole fiddle zone, but I want the 0 zone for sure. There we go.
Double delta NQ on the 1.
And that's going to be on the 9s for NQ.
Speed of NQ 145.
Again, another one I should have disconnected before I did that, but hey, we lived. Oh, look at her. There she goes. There she goes. Well, I definitely could have gotten that 10K out of, even out of the YM there. 327. There is a 21.5s coming in there, and I think we can scalp that short now. There's the first green, though, so might be a problem. Oh, what is this doing? Not getting tick counts here.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 26.
Me being a little too slow on the trigger there with that, and then didn't get my first AO, and I forgot about the speed of NQ. It's been a while.
170.
I probably need to go to NQ2s before I get totally wrecked here. Let's go to NQ ALGOBOX 2s, please. 1s is a little much right about now, right? Am I right? All right. Okay, so we don't have as cool. Oh, this is not good. I am on the wrong side of this. Let me close out. I am on the wrong side of that. Yeah, we are strong buy side there. All right, so not quite at our 6K anymore there. 89 wise. Let's see. Let me zoom back out here on the 89s. Yeah, coming up in there, and that finishing bar is at 202475s. Literally right here. This is that target 3 on the J hook is the completion of an 89 bar. Okay, fast speed down. A quick grab on across.
NQ on the 2.
We've got multis showing up there. Gonna see if I can take a quick one long. I need to start setting some targets here because this is going to be too wild here. 15s. It's been a while since I did NQ. A little crusty rusty here.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 26.
Little crusty.
Double delta NQ on the 2.
Okay, got it ready up here. Want to put out some targets.
Speed of NQ 72.
So that big 18 section on down the 1s ended up being the pivot turn, so feeling pretty stupid about not holding that, huh? Yeah, NQ in the afternoon is way better, right? Yeah, I'm kind of getting borked here. Too much shifting around. Didn't let my brain have time to sync up here with the speed. Go naked here for a second, and yeah, welcome back to the dark side. Oh, funny. Structure, 2 minutes. There's a 10. Yikes, we went to neutrals. And nakeds and halves. Okay, I gotta get off of 4 bigs. Gotta go none here for the moment. I forget that NQ just goes farther than you expect, you know what I mean? So we came all the way down to the... Oh, somebody give me the optimized range for NQ. You guys who are NQ players, you got the optimized range. I don't have the new optimized range. I'm still on the YM for optimized range. 32R, thank you. 32R, go. Okay. So did we come in and touch that? We did. Touched right on the golden ropes. Let's see if we get something here, or are we just smashing through? It's 332. It's just going to end up being the big end of day down day scenario here. Yikes, 16.1. Did I just get caught on the sell-off? I think so. Oh, I need... Oh, come on. Touch me. I'm ready for half. I'm ready to take my half. I am ready to take half and change my mind here, bro. Don't wreck me. Come on. Give me a chance. Give me a chance to get out, bro. Do it. Oh, wow. Did y'all see how sneaky that was? Did you see how sneaky they were on that? That was so sneaky. Oh, NQ. Oh, how I've missed you, and at the same time, I don't. I do not always miss you, bro. I am not missing you right now. Forgot about your little snappy rappiness, especially EOD.
72.
Did you see how sneaky that was? That was nasty. She's nasty. I'm used to having a few more seconds to think about that lately. I'm getting spoiled by these slow instruments.
Double delta NQ on the 2.
Alright, there's a nice dump out. That is a Shark 17.8. Give me some love here.
Speed of NQ 60.
Alright, I'm going to keep on with my 4/5K here.
Double
There's the
delta
time,
NQ on the 2.
334. Oh no, this is the flat zone. I was like, is that timing? No, it's a different color. I probably should change that color. It looks too close to this. This is the 2-minute warning right here. This is the flat zone. So we are in the flat zone right now. So the next Enigma is going to be tempting, but I'm not going to take it, right? Or I could literally reverse it. I'm going to set this to 15 bigs here for my next play. Got 2 ready ups here. I want to take the next play. If it is an Enigma, I want to reverse whatever the position is. Why? Because we just went right into the flat zone, right? So I want to take an Enigma reversal in here on any of this. I almost want to push to the 3s here on NQ. Like, it feels like it's not that fast, but it's like snappy speed. You can't really tell what speed this is. It says it's 34, but it feels much faster than that because of the snappiness.
Fib.NQ on the 89.
Strong buy. Let's see, we got anything to play with here? No, just that 17.8 that pushed her up. So we did decent on that. 16.7 coming in here now at the 4s. Try to snag a short here. Forgot about how crazy NQ is on this stuff. Up top, we got a 16 and then a 10 up on the 4s. So we got a reduced size, so one big, then one small. Wow. And we're running again. She is being nasty. Wow, look at what's coming up on the 4s. Top left.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 32.
Okay, because it came against me, I got to start peeling half. I can't get as bold as I was, so I'm doing my normal SOP. Standard op comes back to my point of entry, and I'll pull half because I am half as confident as I was when I first entered. If I get a perfect entry, I will hold the whole thing. If it was not perfect and it came against me a bit, then I will half up, which is what's going on here. Nope, closing it. I have no idea what's about to go on right there, but it is.
Touch NQ on the.
That is nerve-wracking. Where did my 89 chart go? Let me pull that back here. Let's set this to always on top so I can see it. Always on top for the 89. Thank you very much. Forgot, you know, I hate NQ and I love it. It's I'm feeling the fun factor. The fun factor is here. I'm down. I'm here for it. Okay. The combo.
Upper bands touch NQ on.
Now they're exchanging hands. 338. I'm gonna take a stab at the short. We start to run. Gonna have to close it up. Don't want that much fun. Moving my 89 over. I'm going to add a stop. I'm sticking it over the 10.7 on my lower time frame. Against strong buy, taking it off, closing it at the green Gartley. There we go. Lower time frame.
Speed up NQ
getting ganky. You like to hear it when it goes bzzz. Yeah, when it's going your direction, it's fun, isn't it? The bzzz is much more fun when it's in your favor. For sure.
Fib.NQ on the 32. Double delta NQ on the 2.
All right, Super AO. This is Don's favorite play. This one's for you, Don. I'm going full position. Let's go, Don. He showed me the stats on the Super AO. I'm down for it. I'm in on it. Here's your 89. 89 Bollinger Touch. Alpha, Omega, Super, and the Enigma behind it. Let's see if they're faking them all out. Let's see if we're going to get the drop. Don, what's my target?
Double delta NQ on the 2.
Oh, another one. Opposite side of the... What is it? This is the hill I'm going to die on. We got 20 minutes to the close. If they run them to the highs, it's going to suck. But if this plays out the stats that we have seen, we just did a bull touch on the 89. We got a Super Enigma plus Super Alpha Omega, and I think this is 10K. Give me some 10K hype in the chat. Give me some 10K hype in the chat. Do it. 10K hype in the chat.
Double delta RCY on the 4. Speed of NQ 65.
Let me see. I need to pump a bracket so I know where it's going to be. 10K, I need 4. So really, I just need it to go, what, here? 5 and 6, yeah. So to there. That's my 10K right there, but I don't want to give it an attraction point. So 2020 will be 10K. We're at 8, 8.5, 8, 8.5. Oh, don't you pop up now. Bake 'em and bake 'em. It's fake and bacon. I helped. Come on, here comes King Timing. King Timing. I'm gonna have to draw a line where it is. It's gonna be so close. White line is 10K. Thank you very much. Oh, that was so wrong. I'm at 8,800 now because we touched it. And dude, who front ran me? Y'all all front ran me, didn't you? Y'all all front ran me, didn't you? I'm just kidding, you guys. I love you guys. 8,800. Oh man, is it gonna let me hit more? What did you say? 12K? Oh, it's because Eddie told me it was 12K, not 10K. My mistake. My mistake. Let's fix that. Should we do 12K? Yeah, you're right. You're right. We should go 12K. What was I thinking? I'm selling myself short, aren't I? What's the time of day? 3:43? My goodness. I do need to draw the zone for that. So there's King Timing. So the zone is here. So Titanic zone. Let's get the coloring properly. And it's gonna be medium. Okie dokie. Cool. Cool story, bro. So now that nobody thinks it's going to go down, now is my time to play in on that Bollinger Touch. And I don't want to jinx it, but I got something else. What do you guys see on... Oh, I'm on the 8s. I should be on the 9s. Okay, well, on the 8s, we got Divergence. So I don't know if it's going to play because I'm on the wrong... You know what I didn't do on NQ? I did not shift my... Didn't shift my MACV chart. Oh, that could be problematic. What time? 3:44.
Fib.NQ on the 8th.
It's a pink dot. But it's on the wrong time frame. I'm on the 8s when I should be on the 9s. Like I'm just... Alright, I'm gonna bring it over. There's my jinx. There it is. I'm probably jinxing it for pulling this over. But I gotta do what I gotta do. That one's always on top. This one's always on top. Do. I do not like what that 89 bar is doing to that Bollinger. I'll be straight up honest about it. I do not like what it's doing to that Bollinger on the 89. You got a div on the 9s? All right. Well, thank you for that. So they came down there, picked up my orders on the 10K target, and used those to run, didn't they? I handed off the baton, so to speak, the way I like to think about it. Alright, so I got a half here at my entry. I didn't do it because I missed it. Okay, there we go. Half at my entry because that's my SOP. Because I'm an SOB. Pop up a little bit. I'll add to my position. Oh, they slipped me. Did y'all see him slip me? I remember. Oh, I love and hate NQ. I love and I hate NQ. Did I mention that? I love and I hate NQ. I love you and I hate you. You snapped me on that. You dirty dog. And I'll take it right there for 10K. Make it 11. All right, I got one more K to go to get to 12. Eddie spoke it into existence. Eddie told me I'm going for 12, so... This one's for you, Eddie.
Upper bands touch NQ on the 89.
Are they finally going to fill me? Oh, they didn't fill me.
Double delta NQ on the 8th.
Is that a blue ready up? Oh my goodness, no. Do not run this back to the highs, bro. Give me my 12K, bro. I need $10. Can somebody give me a $10 coffee donation? I am not pressing the button again. I am pressing my luck. That is $11,990. I need a $10 coffee donation. Who's giving me a $10 coffee donation so I can stop pressing the buttons? Because I am telling you right now, I am nervous as all get out. Look at that thing. Look at what it did. It knew I was right there. Look at it. Look at it. Look, I'm going to press Control E. Look. Look what it did to me. Look at it. Look, it knew. It knew. It knew. The market knew. It knew. It knew. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, whoever gives me the first coffee donation, I'm sending you a golden knife in return. Who wants a golden knife? Nikita! Let's hear it for Nikita. Nikita! I am sending you. You get a golden knife.
Speaking with your...
Who else wants a golden knife? Fuck it. Whoever gives me a $10 coffee donation, everybody's getting golden knives. Golden knives on the house. Who wants a golden knife? $10 coffee donation gets you a knife today. That was exciting. I mean, this was a fun run. I got to be honest, that was fun. That was fun. I haven't had that much fun in a while. You know why? Because I haven't been playing NQ in the afternoons. Was that fun? That was fun.
Baby, I don't understand this. Grilled cheese Obama sandwich. What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all
Double delta NQ on dot NQ on the 8th.
Ich fühl mich wie auch wie Tupac. Lamborghini, Lackfarbe Kiwi, direkt aus.
Do you suffer from a lack of a father figure? Do you have clinical depression? Have you ever accidentally broken your mom's favorite coffee cup, and when she found out you did it, she tied you to a bed and spanked you with a metal spatula? If you said yes to any of these things, I don't care. And to keep it a beat, no one cares.
Insanity. What is this insanity? That's a 19.1 at the highs. So I'm getting my 12K on the day. Get you some!
Double delta NQ on the 8th. Upper bands touch NQ on the 32.
You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when you are. No matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not on. No, I can't let go when I need it.
Systems online. You have entered our virtual.
Alrighty then. And you get a golden knife. Laverne gets a golden knife. Pablo gets a golden knife. Did he throw down 200 ARS? Holy shnikes. Ricardo, you get a golden knife. Plutonium, you get a golden knife. I'm Oprah. I'm Oprah, bro. I'm white Oprah with a penis. You get a golden knife. Missile, you get a golden knife. Nikita, you get the first golden knife. Oh, yes. Just call me White Oprah with happiness. Happiness. I said happiness for all you people who got your ears clogged thinking that I said penis. I said happiness. I obviously said happiness. Obviously, I said happiness.
32.
You have happiness. Have happiness. It's good for you. Happiness is good for you. All right, I'm having too much fun. I should probably leave now, shouldn't I? I should. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Loswell, Mossman, Curtis, G, and Eddie B. I am sitting out of the big town. See ya. Our team, go ahead and show them how it's done. Just for fun.
Double delta NQ on the two.
You know, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, you know, more money and better opportunity. I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use they have better front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us.
Double delta NQ on the two. Speed of NQ 153. Lower bands touch NQ on the 32.
Rewind.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of
Lower
shit
bands
and
touch NQ on the
companies
32.
trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do
Speed of NQ 112. Double delta NQ on the 2.
Over the hills in the evergreen, trade my soul for a chance to carry on into the wild.
Delta vibrating. Long. Look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. NASDAQ on freeze.
Into the wild.
Order filled. Target filled.
To the wild.
Speed of NQ64. Speed of NQ64. Double delta NQ on the 2.
Audio Jungle.